Welcome back to 6 News at 5. Time to take a look at your weather, and we're starting off, as Chris said before the break, steamy 96 out there today. And I want to point something out here. When we talk about averages, when we say what is it supposed to be this time of the year, what that is a 30-year average. We take this day in history over the last 30 days, average them all out, and we get 89. Well, that's important today because today is the first day since May 30th that our average for this date has dropped below 90 degrees, and unfortunately, nobody sent that memo to the atmosphere. That's why it was 96 out there today with heat index values closer to 100. Out there right now, 97 in Hearn and Cameron, 96 from Temple to Marlin, and 95 right now in Waco. That is down a degree from the daytime highs. Unfortunately, you would never know. Take a look at our humidity right now. Take a look at our dew point. 71 in Mexia, 70 in Cameron, 69 from Marlin to Temple, 68 in Killeen. These are very high numbers. When we start talking about dew points ranging into that 70-degree range, that's when we start using words like oppressive to describe the weather. And of course, when we add in the heat index values, this is what it actually feels like outside right now. 102 is what it feels like in Marlin, Temple, and Killeen. 100 right now in Gatesville. 101 is what it feels like in Hillsboro. So these are ranging 5, 6, 7 degrees, as I warned you last night, above what the actual air temperature is. And again, it's all down to that humidity. So much moisture in the air. None of it falling as rain. Dry again. Saw some cloud cover today. Didn't do much for our temperatures. This tells you, though, there is moisture in the atmosphere, and people around us are seeing rain. DFW and our Red River counties for another day, seeing another disturbance pass over, bringing even more rain to areas that have seen rain the last few days. The rest of us would like some of that. Be nice, but we will have to wait our turn, and that will come at the end of the weekend. We're going to shift our focus like we did last night to the Pacific Northwest. What I want to do today, though, is I want to talk about this low pressure system and put a little bit of timing with it, because again, this is going to take a minute to get here. So here's where the system is. Put it in motion. We can see the cold front attached. That low pressure system starts to approach Texas by the early morning hours Saturday morning there, as it starts to cross into the panhandle. As it does so, it will start to kick up showers and storms ahead of it, and that is when we could start to see a few showers pop up for us Saturday evening there. Not a great chance, and it's going to be primarily for our western counties. Put this back in motion. They do stay with us, approaching I-35 there by about 8 o'clock, and then by 9 o'clock we start to see things come to an end, and by 10 we see the storms moving out. Notice where the cold front is, just to the northwest of central Texas. That will pass through as we head through Sunday into Monday, increasing rain chances even further than that. And that's when we'll see our best chances for widespread rain. However, we do have to get there first. For tomorrow, temperatures right up against 100 degrees across the area. And with the humidity, yeah, it's going to feel like it's 103 again, unfortunately. That's tomorrow. Saturday, possibly 2 degrees, even warmer than that. Sunday, though, that's when that cold front starts to approach. Still going to be hot, but by Monday, that's when we see temperatures drop close to 10 degrees, back into the 80s, at least for one day. We keep the rain chances there, but then we do dry out, and we're going to start warming back up again as we head towards the end of next week. That's it for your weather. Back to y'all.
Yeah, thanks, Matt. That Monday, Tuesday looks all right. Okay, we got a great